Right, today we're going to bring an exhaust pipe, and this one actually works pretty well where it actually brings in the air out, right? And this is the actual area that it's going to bring it out through. It has a weather protection, so more water will get in, but air will get out. And it comes with the actual pipe, right? You need to actually make sure that the cable is facing to the right direction, right? So this is pretty much how it's going to go. It's pretty much just a hat that goes over the actual system. You could glue it permanent or drill it together, right? Just make sure you get the cable out. And we're gonna run it right now with the solar panel. It does have solar panel. There's no batteries on the solar panel, so it runs directly from sunlight. They give you plenty of slack so you can put it anywhere you want. And right now we are gonna put it in the direction of the sun. They give you instructions. This to actually angle your solar panel if you want, different directions, wherever the sun actually hits the most. And that's pretty much it. This is the actual system itself. It's pulling air in, so we're gonna push it out right now. All right, for demo purposes, this is what I did. Exhaust is coming out. All right, if you guys can see, the air is moving out, but we do have a hole where it sucks up all the air here, so we put it right over it so you guys can see it working. We do have the actual solar panel directly to the light. So, and right now we don't have a high sun today, but it is working. It is working really good. You can see all this pushing the air out from here, from the exhaust. So it is working. It's pushing the air. There's no air, there's no wind right now, so anything that's moving, it's actually coming from the exhaust. And just to show you how strong it is, there it is, if you guys can see it, pushing the air from the bottom to the top. But look, you can see the air exhaust in here, pushing it out. Make sure this locks in place when you're pulling, or drill it in, or like I said, you could actually paste it in too. So we're gonna put this here and get the exhaust in there. Depending on the high end of the sun or the direct sunlight, you have an on and off switch, like I said. But best part of it, even with low visibility on the sun, let me see if I can do it, it still works. Look at this, still exhausting some air out of the system. So even where the shade's at right now, it's completely still working. So the fan is very simple, runs with less power as you can, and of course you have the exhaust cover here for waterproofing, PVC. It's gonna last you forever. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.